In today's video, I want to go over a new integrator plugin. This time is for Komodo decks, which is a screencasting software that allows you to record a screen, embed your videos, and share them so that people can view. I was looking for a solution to embed these into WordPress. I have a typical WordPress installation here for testing Gutenberg blocks, in this case Cadence, and the integrator here ready and waiting. Now, the standard way of embedding a block into WordPress is to use their embed function. In this case, we'll take the video only. I'm only dealing with video here, not the guides. If there's demand, I could probably add guide, but I have no direct use case for guide, so I haven't included it into the integrator. So I'm going to copy this HTML code and I'm going to head over to this page that I've already created, and I'm just going to put a HTML block in to put this into position, and I'm going to save it. Now, my first issue with this integrate native solution is there's no admin preview at all, which is quite annoying. So what I'm going to do for later is I'm just going to drag this paragraph up here, and I'm just going to add a block below here, and I'm going to call this one native, and I'm going to call this one integrator manual, if I could spell that. So I'm going to go through to the front screen now, and this is a native Komodo decks import, which is actually quite good. Once it's on the front end, it's quite good. It's fast as well. I'll play this for a few seconds. You see, it's fast. It's brilliant, but I can't see it in the back, and you've got to mess with it to get some form of modification. So I'm going to add the integrator now, and I'm going to go and copy the URL. It doesn't matter URL or the ID, but in this case, I'm just going to copy the URL for speed. I'm going to go back to our page. I'm going to dump it in, and that's it. It's done. If I want it smaller, I can make it smaller. If I want it larger, I can make it larger. And if I want it 100% and then manually being able to do it, I can do that. And I'm going to go with that as an option. And there it is. It's in. Obviously, being a block, you can add your custom classes to it. So save. And then I'm going to go back onto the front screen, and I'm going to load. And that loads. But the big difference is between native, which is automatically 100%, and the integrator is it works within the dashboard. So now in the admin area, actually in the block editor, you can see the video you are working with, which I just couldn't do with a native solution. And this is fully designed to work with blocks. So, for example, if we add another couple of bits and pieces here, if I add after, I'll start with a paragraph, then I'll add after that, and we'll start with some columns. We'll start with 3 columns. We'll add in here, add a Commando, we'll add the same video, and there it is. And if we make it 100% the size, it's large, and then we go back to the front screen, and you can see it's doing exactly the same behavior on the front screen as it was on the back screen. So, yeah, hopefully this is of some use to people. The code and descriptions are down below. It is on the GitHub. Yeah, please test it. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you think there's something that you'd like me to cover. Thank you.